Just found out you're pregnant in Lexington? Congratulations. Now you've got 80 tabs open on hospitals, doulas, midwives, insurance. Let's close every single one of them right now. Here's what we're covering in this video. Is the 3 Lexington hospitals where doulas are welcome, a hospital-affiliated birth center, the doula serving the Bluegrass, what everything costs, how insurance and Medicaid work in Kentucky right now, and a free app that builds your birth plan step by step. Let's start with where you can deliver. UK Chandler Hospital on Rose Street near the University of Kentucky campus is home to the UK Birthing Center, Central Kentucky's leader in high-risk maternity care. It has 12 labor and delivery rooms and the region's only Level IV NICU. Doulas are welcomed as part of your birth support team. Certified nurse midwives attend births here, and UK healthcare was ranked number 28 in the nation for obstetrics by US News. Health Lexington on Nicholasville Road near Fayette Mall has delivered nearly 160,000 babies and holds the CMS Birthing Friendly designation. Its Level III NICU has 32 beds staffed by pediatrics neonatologists. Doulas are welcome, lactation consultants are on every unit, and childbirth classes and hospital tours run year-round. Baptist Health accepts Kentucky Medicaid. St. Joseph East off Eagle Creek Drive in the Hamburg area is the Women's Hospital, one of the few in central Kentucky dedicated entirely to women's health. It holds its own birthing-friendly designation with a Level III NICU, private birthing suites, and 24/7 obstetric coverage. Doulas are welcome as support persons, and St. Joseph East accepts Kentucky Medicaid and most major insurance plans. If you want a birth center experience, LexHealth Birth Center offers something rare in Kentucky, a hospital-affiliated birth center renovated in 2019 with midwife-led care and water birth options for low-risk pregnancies. You get the home-like setting with a safety net of hospital-level medical backup just steps away, and families can tour the facility and meet the midwifery team ahead of time. Lexington has 8 doulas ready to support you. Julie Six founded the Birth Haven in 2013, a multi-doula agency with packages starting around $900. Marissa Kumalo at Kumalo Birth and Beyond brings 11 years of holistic birth and postpartum support. Amy Charland at Triple Moon Doula centers her work on education, advocacy, and recovery. And Renee Basham directs Hope's Embrace, a nonprofit with nearly 50 doulas across Kentucky offering sliding scale care. Here's the part every Lexington mom should know about. The True Joy Birthing app is completely free. No account, no catch. 9 guided sections walk you through your entire birth plan. You can find and message doulas and midwives near you right inside the app. Then export your plan as a PDF to share with your provider at UK, Baptist, or St. Joseph. It's the tool every mom needs in her pocket. Here's the reality. A doula in Lexington typically costs $800 to $2,000, with median packages around $900. Postpartum doula care usually runs $25 to $45 an hour. Most doulas offer payment plans, several accept insurance or HSA funds, and Hope's Embrace offers sliding scale pricing, so cost doesn't have to be the reason you go without support. So, does Kentucky Medicaid cover doulas? Not yet, statewide. Kentucky hasn't launched a Medicaid doula benefit like some other states, but there's real momentum. Humana and Anthem managed care plans have piloted doula coverage in Kentucky, and Hope's Embrace, a Lexington-based nonprofit, partners with Anthem Kentucky Medicaid to expand access. Several Lexington doulas also accept private insurance, HSA, or FSA funds. Call the number on your Medicaid card and ask whether your plan covers doula services. The app has resources to help you navigate your options. A birth plan tells your care team exactly what matters to you. You can build yours with the free PDF birth plan, watch our walkthrough series, or use the mobile app. It's all free and it's all ready for you right now. We'll put the link below.